This video tutorial I will explain what is API gateway. Imagine you are at a big concert and there is a famous singer on the stage. Now the singer wants to interact with the audience, but he cannot individually talk to each person in the crowd. So what they can do is they have a spokesperson. We can call him gateway host, who stands at the edge of the stage. When someone from the audience wants to say something to the singer or request something, they go to the gateway host and tell them what they want. The gateway host then passes that message to the singer and bring back the singer's response or whatever audience member asked for. This way, the singer can focus on performing and the audience can communicate with them through this gateway host. In the world of computers, an API gateway is like the API host at the concert. API gateway is a special computer program that acts as a bridge between different software applications or services. Instead of application directly talking to each other, they communicate through the API gateway. When one application wants to get information or do something with another application, the application sends the request to the API gateway. The API gateway then takes the request, passes the request to the right place, and get back the information or action that the first application wanted. This helps different programs to work together smoothly without needing to understand all the technical details of each other. Just like the gateway host makes it easier for audience to talk to the singer, the API gateway makes it easier for different computer programs to communicate with each other. Here you can see set of microservices, and here you can see client application. It can be a web client or mobile client, and if client application wants to communicate with microservices, then it will communicate via API gateway. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.